Hello, X users. In today's video, we'll provide you with a comprehensive guide on how to allow only accounts you mention to reply to your posts in X. This feature gives you even more control over who can engage with your content. Let's jump right into the steps and learn how to implement it in X. Step 1. Open the X app on your device. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the user interface. Step 2. Locate the plus icon, typically found at the top or bottom of the screen. Tap on it to create a new post. Step 3. Compose your post by typing in your thoughts and ideas. Let your creativity shine. Step 4. Now it's time to customize the reply settings. Find the bottom drawer or section that says, "Everyone can reply." If it already says, "Accounts you mention, you're all set." If not, tap on it to switch it to "Accounts you mention." By allowing only accounts you mention to reply to your post, you can create focused discussions and engage directly with specific individuals. And there you have it. You've successfully set your post to allow only accounts you mention to reply in X. Enjoy the benefits of targeted interactions and foster meaningful conversations with the people you engage with. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.